Hello, class. We've been working on arrays this week in math, and we've gotten quite good at them. Remember, an array is a way to show repeated addition, taking the same number and adding it over and over and over again. So let's create some arrays of our own. Here's our activity for the day: create an array. Our directions say create an array that matches the description below. Create an equation that matches the array. I see an area to create a picture array and an area to create an equation that matches it. Now, of course, when we create a picture array, we use dots, and each rows go across, columns go up and down. Each row or column has to have the same number. If it doesn't have the same number, it is not an array. I can only choose one color since every row has to be the same. So I'm going to choose this pretty peachy color. I'm going to start my first row. 1, 2, and of course I need 2 rows of 7, 3, 4. You may notice this red line appearing, which shows I kind of have them lined up. 5, 6, 7. Of course, nobody's perfect getting them in line. I'm going to check to make sure I have 7 though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here goes my second row. 1, 2, 3. Again, you'll notice those red lines that show that I've got them lined up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gonna double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. It looks like I've got 1 row, 2 rows. So when I click down here to do my equation, I know to highlight and backspace. It looks like 7 is the number I'm going to add over and over and over again. So I'm gonna find the number 7 in my top row, hit my space bar. Now I have to do my plus sign. That's going to be in the top row. And since it's on the top of the key, I have to hit my shift key and the plus sign at once. Another space. Oh, here's my second row of 7. Another space. My equal sign is up there on the top, but I don't have to click the space bar because it's on the bottom of the key. Another space, and now it's a double. So that's really easy for me. I can count them if I need to, but I know 7 plus 7 equals 14. And then I'd be ready to go on and create my next array and choose a different color. All right, take your time and make sure you do good pictures and great equations to create your arrays.